Hello my dear students, welcome back to our social studies class. Today we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter 2. The name of the chapter is Maps. So first of all, we should discuss about what is map. A map is a drawing of the Earth's curved surface on a flat piece of paper. When we are going to see the map, this is a flat paper, and we should also know that the Earth is a round shape. Okay, so whenever the cartographer makes maps for us to solve our purpose. What purpose? Because it is a drawing of Earth curved surface on a flat piece of paper. Basically, a drawing of the whole or a part of the Earth on a flat surface is called a map. Understand? Maps helps to locate any area, any place very easily. Whenever we don't know the particular location of any place, then we have to see the maps. Maps help us to calculate or locate any area. Example, city maps, road maps, they are helps the tourists. Okay. Next, a book of map is called atlas, as we know that. Next point is plans. What is plans? Plans shows small areas in great details, such as hospital, market, etc. Meaning, plan shows us, suppose our house. It is a plan based, means before making our house, we need a perfect plan that can help us where the kitchen, where the bathroom, where the bedroom, where is the dining room, so we can segregate it. So plan is in a very greater way, but the areas are very small. But in the case of map, it is in a broader aspect. Earth's curved surface, when we have to draw a flat surface, it is called a map. What is globe? A small replica of the Earth is called a globe. Clear? There is a difference between a map and a globe. What are the difference? In the case of map, you can see every place at a glance. But in globe, you have to move somewhere, then you are finding some location. Next point, map is very handy. We can carry it anywhere. But globe is not. And number third, map are in details. Okay, we can find out maps in details, but in globe, this is not in very specific. Okay. Our next point is types of maps. How many types of maps? There are 3 types of maps. First, physical map. Second, political map. And third, thematic map. So, let us discuss about these 3 types of map. First, physical map. Physical map depicts the physical features such as mountains, seas, lands, etc. Any kind of physical elements, natural elements, when we are talking about that, we are using physical map. Our next point is political map. What are political map? Political map depicts the international boundaries. International boundaries means which countries are which part of our country, like east, west, north, south, and talking about the countries, the capitals, the cities. Okay, these, when we are talking about this category, we are using political map. The third point is thematic map. It depicts a certain theme or topics such as minerals found. From where we are found this type of minerals, suppose mica, iron, petroleum, coal. Okay, crops grown, rainfall, categories of rainfall, the pattern of rainfall, the types of soil, everything. In that areas we are using thematic maps. Next, the language of map. What is that? A map has 4 components of which help us to understand it. A map has 4 components which help us to understand it. First, directions. Second, colors and symbols. Third, scale. And 4 is legend or key. These are the 4 components which help us to understand the anything, the location, the areas, of the map. So let us discuss the language of maps. First point, that is directions. There are 4 types of directions that we are using in map. What are the direction? North, south, east, west. In the flat map, in that particular surface, we are using the topmost part of the map is called north part, north direction. The bottom part is called the south direction. The right hand part is called the east direction, and the left hand part is called the west direction. Clear? These 4 directions are also called the cardinal directions. Understood? There are some intermediate directions also. Along with the 4 cardinal or important directions, along with that, there are 4 intermediate directions also. What are the directions? Northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. These 4 are the intermediate directions. Directions is a very important part of map. It is a language, the first language we are using, that is the direction. Understood? Next point is colors and symbol or sign. What is the importance of colors and symbol in the map? First, color. Through color, whenever we are using some color in the map, there is specific, some meaning is there, some things is there, there are something situated and their colors are different. It helps us to recognize which part is what is situated. Like wherever we are using blue, which shades blue in the map, that means that particular area is water bodies. Maybe it is river, maybe it is seas, oceans, everything related to water bodies is we are using that particular shades is blue. Wherever the highland or the mountains, we are using brown color or yellow color. Okay, the highland or the mountains, we are using the shades of shades of brown and yellow. The lowland or the plain land in our areas, we are using green color. We give the shades green. The snow covered area, it shades white color. Snow, white color, white color. Okay, so the color is very important to recognize which part is what type of land situated. Understood? Next point is symbols and sign. It represents the capitals, the cities, where is the railway track, the bridges, the seashore, the railway track, the police station, the airport, the police station, the railway track, rivers, and many more. Okay. Our next point is scale. What is it? Scale is very important role. Scale has a very important role in map. What is scale? The exact distance between two places cannot be represented on a small piece of paper. Exactly. Suppose our school is here and our home is there. So what is the distance between the school and the home? Is it same? No. This is not possible. So whenever the distance between the two places is represented in a small, cannot be represented in a small piece of paper, the size, the distance between the two places on a map are shown by a scale. That means these two places distance is measured with a scale, with the help of scale. Okay, maps are drawn to scale. Yes, this is particularly done in the map, because without the help of the scale, map cannot be drawn. And the last point is legend or key. What is that? To understand the meaning of the colors, symbols, sign, whatever we are using in the map, we are created some key. Key are also represent the legend. It is usually shown in a box at the lower corner of the map. Suppose this is a map. Suppose this is a map. At the lower bottom part, the lower part of the right hand side or the left hand side, we can find out there are some specific symbol, some specific colors are using that are representing, like 4 dots, 5 dots is called footpath. A round shape is called a whale. We can understand a round shape is there, means in the map there is a round shape somewhere. That means there is a whale. Some dotted line over there, that means there is a footpath, the pedestrian way. Some 2 lines, that is curved line is there, that means that there is a river. Okay, and some balloon type round shape and a straight line, that is called a tree. So these symbols are very much important in map to understand the meaning of the exact map. The color, the symbol, the sign are very much important. The railway track, the police station, the post office, the airport. Okay, so we are using this type of legend or key. So up to this, the chapter is finished completely. You just go through the chapter. For the time being, stay home, be safe. Thank you.